What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 most profitable spring woodworking projects that you can be building heading into spring this year. Let's dive in. All right, welcome back. As always, I'm so glad that you're here. If you don't know me, my name is Vaught, and I am here to help you on your woodworking or custom furniture business journey. Right, my story is I started in my garage, really struggled for a long time, learned a lot of business principles along the way that really helped me start to scale my woodworking business to where we were ultimately doing around $70,000 per month in revenue. Ultimately sold that business, and I help guys and girls all over the world do the exact same thing. And so in today's video, I want to walk you through the 5 most profitable projects that you can be working on heading into the spring season. Listen, as spring approaches, everybody is thinking about cleaning up outside, making their yards and their homes look beautiful. They're also doing spring cleaning inside and redecorating and doing different things. And so I want to give you some really profitable projects that you can be focusing on inside of your woodworking business to capitalize on this time of year. Now, one thing that you'll know about me is I'm a big believer in selling expensive things, right? I'm a big believer instead of trying to sell, thousands of $40 items, I'd rather sell one $4,000 thing, right? I'd rather sell $500 things or $1,000 things and have less clients as opposed to trying to, get 100 clients or 200 clients, right? So I want to walk you through several of the most profitable projects that I've seen. And I'm sharing this with you from actual feedback from the clients that I work with inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. So number one of the best spring projects that you can focus on as a woodworker is planter boxes. And so right now people are planting flowers, planting plants, doing all that stuff. I don't know anything about that, but I do know that people love really beautiful cedar planter boxes. These are things that you can build where your total costs in these are somewhere between $30 and $60 or $80 max, and you're probably selling these somewhere between $200 and $500 depending upon the size. Now you can do regular like square small planters that you would have like one on each side of a walkway or each side of a doorway, or you can do like big long planters where people are planting tomato plants or all kinds of different things, right? And you can vary these dramatically based on lots of different things, right? But planter boxes always sell like crazy heading into the spring. So you want to take advantage of that. And what's cool is you can build 1 or 2, post it on Facebook Marketplace, post it on Facebook groups, and get orders for 20 or 30 or 40 of them and keep you busy for the next 3 months, right? Planter boxes are a great option that are super profitable heading into the spring season. Also, they're pretty easy to build. You just build a box, put some trim on it, put an X in the middle of it to a little bit of decorative theme. You can stain it or leave it natural, totally up to you, right? So that's number 1. Number 2 is also a planter box, but also has a built-in privacy fence. Now, this is one of the things that one of our clients that we worked with for a really long time, her name's Karen. She's an incredible builder. This is one of the things that was a staple for her business, was she was building long planter boxes, but then on the back side of that planter box, putting a big like privacy fence. This is great for like the edges of properties or like beside like an open air carport or something like that, where you could have a big long planter box and then build a privacy fence along with it, and it's a all-in-one product. And she would typically sell these for $1,000 or more. So this is a great product. They're pretty straightforward, pretty easy to build, and it kind of serves multi-purposes, right? Great product to be focusing on heading into the spring. Number 3, porch swing. Now, one thing that I would encourage you to do is not just build any old porch swing or porch swings like what they can go buy at Home Depot or Lowe's or buy on Amazon, but to build a porch swing that is unique and dynamic. So one of the best things that you can build is like a twin size bed porch swing, right? To where it's not just a standard porch swing that you would sit on, but it's something that's super comfy. You could lay down on it, and it actually has custom cushions that you can order from suppliers, but you want to build to the cushions, right? So you want to go find the cushions, get the size dimensions, and then you want to build your swing based on that. But James & James is a great place to go check out porch swings, because they have built, I'm sure at this point, thousands and thousands and thousands, and they have some really cool designs that are pretty easy to kind of model after. And these typically sell for $2,000 a piece. I would highly encourage you to check out porch swings. Number 4 is outdoor table sets. Anytime that spring rolls around, people are going to be spending more time outside, and they're going to be walking out to their old table set that's been sitting there for years, that's warped, twisted, rotting. They're going to be like, man, we need to get something nice, right? Anytime that you can build outdoor furniture heading into the spring, it's always going to perform well. You're always going to be able to find buyers for that, and you can charge premium prices, again, if it's handmade, fully custom to them and their unique specifications, okay? And so last one, I'll keep this short. Indoor table sets. If you know me, if you know everybody that we work with inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, this is the primary product line that we focus on because it has a ton of utility. Everybody needs a table. It's just a huge market, right? Anybody can succeed in this market if they have a good product, right? And so indoor dining table sets, most of our clients, their tables start at somewhere between $1,200 and $1,500 and go all the way up to $6,000 or $8,000. And dining table sets usually start somewhere around $2,200 to $2,500 and can go all the way up to $10,000, right? So you can make a really good living selling dining table sets. And it's very straightforward. You only need a couple clients a month to have a good business, to have a really good custom furniture business or woodworking business. So with that, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I got a couple resources for you I wanna remind you of. Number one is the Handmade Business Secrets ebook. That is the first link in the description below. Totally free book that I wrote to help guys and girls just like you on your journey. It's about 100 pages long. It's a pretty quick read, and it's really just outlines my story and my journey to get where I am today, right? So I would definitely want to encourage you to check that out. Number two is the Handmade Hero Academy. It's a low-cost program that I've built to help those of you that are stuck trying to figure this thing out. It's for beginners to help take you to the next level. And what is the next level? Well, in my opinion, that's around $5,000 to $10,000 per month in revenue. And so if you can learn the principles and apply the principles that we teach inside of that program, and you get one furniture sale as a result of it, it more than pays for itself, okay? And then lastly is the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, which is our flagship program. I'm super excited about it. We're continuing to help guys and girls all over the world grow their woodworking business to new heights, to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month. And it is for those of you that are trying to make this a full-time thing or really trying to build a large business, right? This is for the A players, those of you that are tired of messing around. It is a higher cost investment, but the return on that investment for all of our clients has been incredible. So I definitely want to encourage you to check that out. That's the third link in the description below. Fill out the application, hop on the phone with us, and we'd love to connect with you. So with that being said, love you all, appreciate it. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you doing with your life? And I'll see you in the next video.